Hello guys, welcome to Neck Crackage. Hope you are doing great at this time. So today we will discuss about the five most demanded skills nowadays after the COVID-19 outbreak. So here, if you are new visitor on my channel, so go on the subscribe button and subscribe my channels. That's why you can get the regular notification. And if we are talking about the most demanded video, and in this video we will talk about the how to code done the courses of the digital online courses and finding a new job, because the finding a new job is a quite challenging nowadays because the COVID-19 outbreak. The application applicants should keep on preparing themselves by getting upskills through online courses. So here nowadays the recruiters should certainly ask for some unique skills across different sectors. So here is the list of top skills that the employer would ask and applicants should pursue their courses. So now we will start the first one is your digital marketing course. So if we will talk about the digital marketing course, so today almost all the companies are trying to expand their reach, and so are going digital. So because digital marketing is an essential need for companies to promote themselves by creating a marketing strategies as well as the use of the social media as well, and it is used to amplify the company's initiatives. So that's why you can done the all the courses on the digital marketing. And the digital marketing basically makes a content visible in search and the advertisement or social media. So here we will discuss about the top 10 digital marketing course that you can get easily uh, to find any job in nowadays. So first one is in this scenario is the complete digital course in a one. So here you can done by this course just like a Udemy and upgrade.com. So you can just easily go to second one in this series that can use as the digital marketing master class. Get your first 1,000 customers, so you will get the easily free of course on the Udemy and upgrade.com. So this basically video does not get any promotional video of any website, so you can get all the uh, easily online courses there. And Coursera is also available, so lots of the digital marketing course of there. So next one is the marketing in digital world. So here you can done the digital marketing course as well, and after which you can get also easily follow the fundamentals of the digital marketing that can be used for the social media and particular the e-commerce websites you can use. So now in this series we will talk continue with the five steps digital marketing master class 23 on the course in the one. So you in this course you will usually get all the 23 courses in a sum up in a one lesson. And this course contains the master class against the digital marketing, so you can get easily done with your course. Six course basically belongs to a complete marketing master class to startup and leaders. So basically if you are visible and so much knowledge about the how to digital marketing and what is the digital marketing, so you can just go through it this course. And after which digital transformation business development marketing. So you have if you are done with the course of the digital marketing development and marketing, so you can just correlate with the marketing strategies nowadays. Now every particular websites can use the digital marketing, so you can just go through on the second course that is known as the mega digital marketing course A to Z 12 courses in a one updates. So in this course you can easily get all the master classes, and regarding the A to Z of the information is given below. And digital analytics of the marketing professional is the course that why you can get familiar with the analytics strategies, different marketing in the theory. So you can done with your course in the 9 steps. And the last one is the modern digital master course, familiar with the new courses and new strategies in this you can get the master certification from this particular websites. So now we will continue the next Second step is the search engine optimization. So now basically the search engine optimization stands for the search engine optimization, which is very practice of the increasing the quantity and quality of the traffic of your websites. Why we will use this? Because the in such a certain period companies are trying to build an online reputation by promoting their business. So that's why we will lots of company will be use the search engine optimization, and you can go for the particular specification and done the online courses there. Now the next one is a project management. The project management is a good field for those who are belongs to a software development, and COVID-19 is affecting the business everywhere. So it is a very crucial for companies to analyze their major business projects. So that's why the project management is a big opportunity for those who are belongs from a software development companies वगैरह. And just like the project management is the basically the practice of leading work of a team to achieve goals, and certain goals they meet a different criteria specified time. Okay, so that's why you can done this course very much. And now next one is a data analysis. Data analysis to certain nowadays the data is a big quantity, and if you are done with the course, the data analytics skills would be needed in almost every business, and learning this will make applicants aware of the business of the data analytics. And the next one is your software architecture and design. So basically this course basically demands, because this new economy will create a great demand for software architecture and design skill set. So now today is the last uh, basically online course for the software architecture and design. So if you are like my lesson, so go on this like button, and please do the likes and don't hesitate, and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Please share with your friends. Thank you so much for being here. Have a nice day, friends.